Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been a very long time, like past due, like, you know, like expired. Okay, this is, I guess at first I was going for like a soft glam, but this is I mean, it's my version of a soft glam. I didn't even touch glitter. This is just highlight, okay? But yeah, it's been a while, guys, like a really long time, and I just decided to do this YouTube video, you know, like hopefully I can do another one. I'm not gonna make any promises because my last video I said I'm definitely gonna make another one and I didn't, so I'm not gonna make any promises at all. I guess this can be like an affordable makeup look because actually no, I definitely use MAC and like Kat Von D, but they're technically affordable, right? No. Yeah, no, because there's some, no, sorry, no. But I didn't want to ramble on like this. I really wanted this video to be a short video. Why did I just act retarded for a second? Sorry, like I don't know what's wrong with me. I didn't eat and I need to eat. I really don't need to eat. I need to eat a salad is what I need. But anyways, I just want to make this video because I didn't make one in a while, and I definitely called my mother and I told her that I was making a YouTube video, and she was like, okay, send it to me. So after this, it's just gonna be editing. Whoa, editing. And yeah, I think that's it. I feel like I had something to say. Did I have something to say? I don't know. By the way, Fashionnova, literally $8. $8. I'm wearing it as a shirt. It's a dress, but you know, with my body shape, it's a shirt. So yeah, I think they still have it. But the only problem is it comes in small, medium, and large, and I just like took a chance when I should have. So yeah. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you wanna see how I got this look, you know, you can keep watching. If you have my brows are already done, only because I ran out of my Anastasia brow wiz. My face is already, I don't prime my face because I think that like primer just like makes my makeup look worse. So I typically like to use just like a moisturizer, maybe a little pink, maybe a little pink. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Like prime my eyes. I use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I set my eyes with my Makeup Revolution. I know this, now this has been seeing some love, especially this banana shade. Basically, because I really don't want to like, okay, what's going on? Okay, this is better. So I'm basically going to use like this, boom, going all up in there. So I'm going to be using basically all the neutral shades, and yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. Next, I'm going to be going in with the color that is adjacent to the orangiest color in the palette. By the way, I'm using the same brush only because I'm going from lightest to darkest, and I feel like it doesn't really make that much of a difference if you're going from light to dark versus dark to light. So yeah, I'm just working my way into the darker colors. So right here, I'm just taking the lightest shades in the palette and I am using them as a transition color for my crease. After that, I take the more darker shades in the palette and I blend them out on my outer V, focusing it mainly on my outer V. And after that, I take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cut my crease. I decided to do a half cut crease and not a full cut crease because I didn't want it to be too dramatic. And I will mention later that I had to bring it up a little bit higher because I do have hooded lids, so I do have to go a bit higher. I'm going to use the goldish one right here. It's like a a rose goldish color. It's called Rose Shock, yeah. And it's the Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. So I'm going to just pop this on my lids. I'm going to see what happens. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm using the Clinique High Packed mascara. I had the big one, but I gave it to my friend. Clinique has some bomb mascara. I mean, look at these lashes. So next I'm going to pop on some falsies. Aren't these lashes stunning? So I'm gonna make the face part really quick. I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I know that there's some foundation right there. And I am in the shade Cocoa. Concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I am in the shade 30, well, my concealer shade is 30, which is Honey. So I'm just gonna slap, 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 slap. Yeah, it's a spatula. A lot of people don't like that, but I low-key like it. So right here, I am just blending out my foundation with it looks like a hairbrush, but it's a foundation brush. I don't know what brand it is. If I find out, I will put in the description box below. And after I am done with my foundation, I put on my Fit Me concealer in the shade Honey, and I just put it underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead. I typically don't like to bring it all the way down with my eyes. I usually do that with the blending sponge. And yeah. I'm going to be using for bronzer the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. And then I'm going to be contouring with my Makeup Revolution contour palette. So I'm just going to skip all of that. Just going to dust everything off. I don't bake for that long. Now I'm just going to contour this nose because it needs to be contoured. It needs to be contoured very much so. Oh, I don't know what the bottom parts of this is. Blush. I'm going to be using the MAC blush in the shade Modern Mandarin. So right here I'm putting some setting powder underneath my contour to further define my cheekbones. Next I'm taking a brown lip liner to line my lips, and then I'm going in with ColourPop Stingray. I'm going to be using this My Mimi Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Oh, okay. I'm actually looking in the mirror and you know, this is actually cute. It's not bad, not too much. Who am I kidding? I'm just gonna set my face. Tragic story actually. Hold on, let me sit back. Tragic story actually, I lost my favorite setting spray, which was my MAC Fix Plus. It was full too. My dad bought it for me before I went to school. He was like, get whatever you want, and I got it. And I can't find it, so now I'm using this Master Fix. Do I look like I need a Master Fix? I'm kidding. Okay, what's this? Alright, so guys, this is like the finished look. I'm actually digging my natural hair fro, you know, like I usually don't do like a fro or anything like that. but I'm really digging this. Anyways, this is what I got. Let me get up close without like it making me look like I have like a pound of powder on my face. Why can't I speak? Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I have a Instagram. It's Hassie Mitch, Mahasa Mitchell, which is my actual name. And I have a second account. You don't have to follow it, it's boring. As like I do lash extensions on the side as well as like makeup, so that's like if you want to follow that. But my main account is where it's popping. Actually, it's not popping at all. I don't even know why I said that. But yeah, I have Snapchat, Hassie Mitch as well. Yeah, I really want to start doing more videos. Like I really want to get serious about this, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. I used to not be like one of those, be like, please subscribe, but like that's how I get PR packages and money. So yeah, subscribe and like seriously do it, so I can have like enough money to do like a giveaway with the 90 subscribers that I do have. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm done. So why do I look like okay here, but when I got this close, whoa, back up. Burger. So like I look okay here, you know. Okay, I'm done. Seriously, how do I pause this? How do I pause? Why we always geeking, linking. Yeah, my foes, Leo body.